Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Capcut templates not loading or no network error, which is common in both mobile and PC versions. So let's go ahead and try to fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable and it's strong. You can also switch it to your mobile data and see if that works. After that, try loading your browser or another app to confirm. After that, open your system settings, scroll down and click on Apps. From here, simply search for Capcut application. First, stop this application and re-enable it. Go to Storage, click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the file settings, accounts, and databases, so you need to be very careful regarding that. And then delete the contents of the cache folder. You can also open your Play Store, App Store, or the Capcut website, search for Capcut, and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. If there is an update button available, which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. And if you're using any VPN or proxy, go ahead and block it or disconnect it, as Capcut may block access if you're using VPN or proxy. You can also try disabling and restarting the application. And switch region if templates still don't load. Sometimes templates are region locked. And also try using a different regions via VPN or switch your account region if it's available in settings. Last but not least, try uninstalling the Capcut application from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or the App Store according to your device. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.